So this is my night mask, and I'm about to go mess with my foster mom. Alright, let's see how it goes. Hi guys.
Hello.
What's happening?
I don't know. What's happening with you?
Just saying hello. Hi Annie.
Are you singing? I hear you singing.
Singing what?
Singing downstairs.
No.
You weren't singing? Were you listening to music?
No.
Look at your face.
What?
What have you got on your face?
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, it's dark.
It's my complexion. I'm a black guy.
You want to be more black.
It's my complexion. You guys racist. Jesus Christ. It's my skin. I'm black. I've always been black. Holy shit.
Oh, don't make me laugh so hard.
Thanks a lot, you bastards.
I didn't say anything.
You said what's on my face? It's black. I have melanin.
Is it black or black?
What the fuck? It's melanin. I'm a black guy. You bastards.
I thought I heard you singing downstairs.
Don't try to change the topic. I'm black.
No.
Mom.
What is that?
It's my alright, it's a night mask, a face mask.
Is it? Is that
Yeah.
what it is?
Yeah.